Fair Play Dance Camp 2019. This is Kapela.
And Frank Laure here.
The Marna's Brothers family right here, you know. So we're in here sharing our program called My House is Your House, having Frank as a DJ and myself telling people the story of that thing. So basically what I'm doing all day, every day is to make people feel free, happy, fun, and learning something. So during those days, I've seen so many great things, and I'm so happy because people in my class, they don't have to think too much, right? They don't have to think too much about the steps, about what they're doing. They just have to let it go and just feel free. You know, even though there is some few routines to learn and few things to adapt, but at the end it's just for fun. So we're having an amazing time. It's always about this, you know, it's a vibe, it's a connection, it's a music thing. And having a DJ this time makes things very easier. So I'm just gonna let him say 2-3 things about the class, the vibe, and it's all about this fun and groove, you already know, baby.
Yeah, all the same, the vibe is totally great. So it's the second time for me here. So I thank Kapela and all the Fair Play Dance Camp for the warm welcoming, and the energy is just unique. I mean, we just bring the clubbing vibe here, and I mean everybody are like, yeah, they just go and losing themselves. So the vibe is only for me great, and I'm happy to be here for the second time again. And yeah, thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon. Peace.
What's good? This is Shay. This is my first time to Fair Play Dance Camp. I'm already having a good time. I'm here for the first day. Just did my class, and it was pretty fucking epic. Also, the way it's set up, the energy, the vibe, everybody's great. So having such a blast, yo.
Running up on 33, over 120 speed. No, I ain't talking about the streets, talking about these motherfuckers. Over 21, I told them please. Still a nigga never really drink. They, father please. All a nigga ever do is drink.
What's up? It's your boy Kenzo. I do this every time. And we're back here at Fair Play. Just taught my first class. I think this is year number 7, 6, 7, 8, something like that. And it just keeps growing, it keeps evolving, it keeps getting bigger, and I don't know, I'm really this feels like home. So coming back, doing this chill piece with the people, and everyone was like so focused, made me really happy. So next year, she gotta be there again. I'm gonna be there, I hope. But yeah, it's warm, it's good. Fair Play, baby. Kenzo, peace, West Side. I'm out.
Again, no words. I mean, I'm so grateful to just be in this environment with all these incredible masters of their crafts, and just to be here and teach with all these amazing dancers. I mean, they're so passionate, they're so hungry, and it's honestly such a fulfilling moment for me to just see them dance and learn my choreography and learn my pieces and just watch us dance. Watching them reminds me of why I started to dance, and to see that and to be able to just be in that environment and surround myself with these incredible dancers, I honestly couldn't ask for anything more, and I'm so grateful. I can't wait for the next class and just to be with everyone here. And if you're not here this year, you gotta come next year, trust me. It's something you won't ever forget, not just this year, but in your entire life, because I know I will never forget it. So yeah, thank you for Fair Play. Love you guys, and yeah.
Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright.